everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you two wonderful natural recipes that can help you deeply clean your face and work towards achieving that soft, glowing, glass-like skin that we all dream of. These remedies are simple, effective, and use ingredients that are easily available in your kitchen or local store. So make sure to watch this video till the end to get all the tips and tricks. Let's get started with the first recipe. First recipe, clean your face with coconut oil. For this, you'll need some pure coconut oil. Coconut oil is a magical ingredient when it comes to skincare. It is rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and has natural antibacterial properties. It not only cleanses but also moisturizes your skin, making it soft and smooth. Now, to enhance the benefits of coconut oil, we are going to add a few drops of essential oil. You can choose any essential oil of your choice. Some people like tea tree oil, others prefer rose oil. Today, we are adding lavender oil because it has calming properties and is very gentle on the skin. Add about 7 to 8 drops of essential oil into the coconut oil. This combination smells amazing and works wonders for the skin. Mix it well so that the essential oil blends nicely with the coconut oil. Now comes the important part, applying this oil to your face. Gently massage the oil into your face using small, circular strokes. Make sure you're being gentle. This is not the time to rub hard. Do this for about 1 full minute. This massage not only helps the oil penetrate the skin, but also boosts blood circulation, which is essential for a healthy, glowing face. Once the massage is done, take some very warm water. Not too hot, just comfortably warm. Rinse a soft washcloth under this water. Then wring out the excess water carefully. Now, take this warm washcloth and gently place it over your face. Let the cloth sit on your skin for about 30 seconds. This simple step helps to open up the pores, allowing the natural oils to lift out any dirt, impurities, and old makeup that may be clogging your skin. You'll actually feel your skin breathing. After that, gently wipe the oil off your face with the washcloth. Don't scrub, just soft wiping motions are enough. And there you have it. Admire your clean, refreshed, and moisturized face in the mirror. Your skin will look fresh, dewy, and will feel soft to the touch. You'll love how gentle yet effective this method is. Now let's move to the second recipe. This is for a nourishing face mask that helps brighten the skin and gives you that healthy glow. Second recipe, coconut-based face mask for glowing skin. For this mask, you will need the following simple ingredients. First, take 1 spoon of gram flour. Gram flour, also known as besan, is an age-old ingredient used in skincare. There is literally no better natural cleanser than gram flour. It helps in exfoliation and removes dirt and dead skin cells gently. Next, you need 1 spoon of curd. Curd is packed with lactic acid and probiotics, which help in softening the skin, reducing blemishes, and brightening the complexion. It also helps maintain the natural pH balance of the skin. The third ingredient is half a spoon of honey. Honey is a wonderful natural moisturizer. It hydrates the skin deeply, making it soft and supple. It also has antibacterial properties, which help in reducing acne and skin irritation. The fourth and final ingredient is 1/4 spoon of wild turmeric. If you don't have wild turmeric, you can use a small pinch of regular turmeric from your kitchen. But be careful, don't add too much because regular turmeric can leave a slight yellow tint on your skin. Just a tiny pinch is more than enough. Turmeric is well known for its ability to fight various skin problems like pigmentation, acne, and dullness. Now mix all these ingredients well to form a smooth paste. Take your time here. The texture should be creamy and lump-free for the best application. So how will you apply this mask? Apply it evenly on your face and neck. It's important to cover your neck too because skincare is not just for the face. Our neck shows signs of aging and pigmentation as well. While applying, gently massage your skin in small circular motions. This stimulates blood flow and helps the skin absorb all the goodness from the mask. You will apply a very thin layer of the mask. There's no need to make it too thick, just enough to cover the skin. Now, suppose you have specific skin concerns like pigmentation or dark spots. In that case, take a little extra paste and concentrate on those problem areas. Spend a little more time gently massaging over those spots. This helps in deeper penetration of the ingredients. The mask will take some time to partially dry. But remember, don't wait for it to dry completely. You need to wash it off when it's almost dry but still a little damp. This ensures that your skin doesn't lose too much moisture. Now gently wash off your face using lukewarm water. As soon as you rinse, you will feel that your skin has become soft, supple, and fresh. You'll also notice that your skin has started to glow naturally. It looks brighter and feels smoother. But we are not done yet. There's one more important step after washing off the mask. After cleansing, you must apply rose water to your skin. Rose water helps close the pores and ensures that there is no residue left behind. It also conditions and refreshes the skin. If you use any toner, you can use that instead of rose water. It's completely your choice. And finally, don't forget to apply a good moisturizing sunscreen. Protecting your skin from sun damage is essential, even when you are indoors. Sunscreen keeps your skin hydrated and protects it from harmful UV rays. So that's it for today's video. These two recipes are simple, yet so effective for getting clean, radiant, glass-like skin naturally. I hope you'll try them out and see the difference for yourself. Take really good care of your skin, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.